Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we will learn very trendy and beautiful necklace. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: silver chain 60 cm long, plier, scissors, fabric glue, cotton thread 3 colors, 3 jump rings and 1 hook, jewellery end caps 2. I selected red, violet and black color threads to make this necklace. You can also take your dress matching colors. Take a thread and measure 18 cm, then turn it 12 times thicker as shown. Repeat the same for other 2 color threads. Now tie one end of all 3 color threads together with a thread. Start braiding or plaiting with these 3 color threads. Now tie the other end with a thread. Leave only 1 cm extra on both sides from the knot as shown. Apply some glue on both the ends and put some glue in the end cap. Now put both the thread ends in end caps. Take 2 jump rings and attach the end caps. Take 16 cm chain and cut it in 2 pieces. Attach these chains to both the jump rings. Attach the jump ring to one end and on the other end attach the hook. Our trendy and colorful necklace is ready to wear. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.